This is our fully automatic supply painting machine, which is instead of the hand painting. So you can see they have two friends there. This one can be one friend, that one can be one friend. And just now he do the this labor hand do the automatic painting from top side, now from the bottom side. So you can see it's painting very good. You can see the slider is there, okay? 1 hour is output is 10,000 pieces. Normally, one frame with 1 minute, and two frames with 2 minutes. So it can paint to another side or painting again.
We have two models of this machine. One has two hangers, with 100,000 12,000 PCS for 8 hours per day. The other has one hanger, with 50,000 60,000 PCS for 8 hours per day. We have high configuration model, and standard configuration model. If you are interested in this machine, welcome to contact us. We are QLQ in Guangzhou, China.